So my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Doing canning is fun and it's almost essential when you grow a garden. There are so many savory recipes you can make. With tomatoes, there's a delicious marinara sauce. Cucumbers make great bread and butter pickles. Pickled asparagus is another classic, and so on, including this one. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my pickled beets. What a delicious and easy recipe to have on hand. By making this from scratch, you're in control of the amount of sugar in it. It's a great way to enjoy this healthy vegetable all year round. So my friends, let's get cooking.
In a medium saucepan, we'll add granulated sugar, then some white vinegar, cold water, followed by old cloves, as well as ground cloves, and a cinnamon stick. We'll set the heat to high, bring the mixture to a boil, and stir until the sugar is dissolved. Then we'll reduce the heat to medium-high and set the timer for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll prep the jars. Here are the beets that I cooked earlier and cubed. I'm not showing you how to cook them, but click on the top right corner of your screen to find 4 different ways of doing it. So we'll simply fill up the sterilized jars with our beets, leaving about ½ inch headspace. Back to the brine. When time is up, we'll remove from the heat, take the cinnamon stick, and discard it. We'll now pour in the brine into the prepared jars, wipe off the rims before placing the lids and the screw bands. I don't go into details about the canning procedure, therefore I highly suggest you watch a video on how to do home canning by simply clicking on the top right corner of your screen. So when this is done, we'll process the jars by carefully placing them in a boiling water bath. When the water returns to a steady boil, we'll set our timer for 15 minutes. When time is up, we'll carefully remove the jars and transfer them to a wire rack to cool off. And my friends, this is our pickled beets. What a great condiment to have on hand. It pairs so well with many proteins and different dishes. They're easy to make, colorful, and so tasty. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!